Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram crashing. So guys, when you open your Instagram app on your Android phone and facing any issue that your Instagram app is not opening on your phone and suddenly off your Instagram app on your phone and not working properly, or having the issue that is not responding. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys, after opening your settings, you need to scroll down, click on app management, and guys, after this, you need to click on app list, and guys, here you need to find Instagram, and here you can see Instagram. Simply you need to click on it and click on storage and cache, and firstly you need to click on clear cache and clear storage and click on OK. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back and open your Play Store. And guys, when you open your Play Store, so guys, here you need to search Instagram, and guys, after searching Instagram, you need to open your Instagram app here. And guys, here you can find the option of update. So guys, I have already updated this app, therefore I have not the option of update. So guys, if you have option of update, then you need to update your Instagram app from here. And guys, after doing updated, your problem will be fixed. And guys, after update, you need to go back and check that problem is fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then you need to open your settings again. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down, click on system, and click on reset phone, and click on reset Wi-Fi settings. And guys, simply first one, you need to select sim first one and click on reset, and after this, click on second sim and click on reset. And guys, after doing reset network setting, you need to go back. And guys, the last method is you need to update your Android phone. So guys, when you clicking on system update and click on online update, and if you have any kind of update on your Android phone, then you need to update firstly. And guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your Instagram app smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.